small building. The World Trade Center. Very small building. We're not too high.
You can see the other building all the way down.
Not too high at all. In a few minutes, we will meet there. Maybe I can even find you, wherever you guys are.
Oh yeah, there's the big ball. They should be there somewhere.
Let's see. That's insane. This is so insane. Nice is somewhere down there. Where are you, Carol?
Oh, I'm thinking at like 12,000 feet or something.
These are Philip's eyes on top of the world.
We are here.
There. Yes, the previous top of the world was not the actual top of the world. Now we are actually entering the top of the world. And still, we are approaching the top of the world. This is the real top of the world. Let's go listen to the music.
What are you looking at?
People's faces.